Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to turn on anonymous browsing on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So, first of all, you need to open your Reddit application, and as you can see, I use Reddit as my primary account. And if I want to watch Reddit anonymously, I need to click on my account icon in the top right corner, find settings in the bottom. Here I need to click on General Settings, Account Settings for you, and click on Switch Accounts. And now I can turn on anonymous browsing. And that's all. Your anonymous browsing is on, and it won't save your browsing and search history and won't receive personalized recommendations. So now I can watch my Reddit anonymously. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.